tasya heturvidya. Not understanding his purpose is ignorance. Not understanding this relationship of Brahma and Maya, that is universe, is ignorance. Te vyakta sukshma gunatmanaha. All the properties are displayed in present, remain subtle in past and future. The properties are threefold. At present, they appear and are conspicuous. In past and future, they are subtle and latent. They are bound by properties of matter, inertia, activity, illumination, purity, activity, and inertness. Parinamayikatva, Vastu Tattvam, the view or data received from the senses has an effect on the mind. All get the same view. The view is the same for all specific species. The same view may be different to different species as their data from senses may have different pattern. Research explains that the view by some species may be perceived through reflections of ultrasonic waves, sensing heat patterns or infrared light. Human receives the reflection of white light at retina for reception. Therefore, the property dominant at object shall be perceived accordingly. Vasti samme chitta vedatyo vibhaktaha panthaha. The subject and view remain same for all, but the same subject and view may be perceived different by different minds, such as one may view enthusiastically, the other gloomy, the third neglecting, the fourth be with derision. Since the subject is not the part of mind, it will not be a subject of many minds. Even then, it is perceived by different minds with different emotions. Therefore, the subject is not perceived as per what the view should be, but mind decides the subject as per its own property and influence. न चैक चित्त तंत्रम वस्तु तद प्रमाणकम तदा किम स्यात्. When one mind perceives one subject at a time and the second subject projected at mind, mind should undergo form and or the first subject should vanish. However, this does not happen and the technique of mind is independent. The subject is memorized. Therefore, the subject and mind have independent techniques. Taduparagapekshitvaschittasyam vastu jnata jnatam. The outside subject, when centralized or reflected at mind through the sense organs, the mind eclipses the subject. The perceiver and mind then stores the knowledge of the subject. If mind, that is chitta, does not eclipse, no knowledge is perceived. This is perceiving system and technique of the mind. सदा ज्ञाताश्चिश्चित वृत्तय सत्प्रभो पुरुषस्या परिणामामित्वात्. The perceiver is the owner of the mind, and because perceiver is not expressible, perceiver, the software of mind, cannot even exist to function without hardware mind. The mind undergoes change in state due to neural network at function. The perceiver is always aware of tendencies, vritti, the operating systems of mind. Perceiver or the perceiving system is not result oriented.